YouTube. If you are new and it's your first time ever coming across my channel or seeing my face, welcome. My name is Lecia. You guys are watching Lecia TV, and I hope you guys subscribe to become a part of the Lecia fam. And Lecia fam, if you are watching this video, welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be vlogging me getting ready for the first day of school. So basically I already got my hair done. You guys can see it is so cute. I got goddess fox slugs, that's what they're called. So yeah, I already got my hair done. Now I'm just gonna be getting my nails done because it's about time. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I am now back from the nail salon. This is how my nails look, y'all. They are super cute. I got French tip on my natural nails, and because I'm trying to grow on my natural nail, but y'all, like, I just love how the nails look. Like French tip, like, you can never go wrong with it. Like, it's so cute and simple. But yeah, so these are my nails. And yes, this year I'm going to be doing online school. I know y'all like, why is she prepping for online school, why she getting her nails done, hair done, all that type of stuff? It's really just because I want it to feel like the first day of school. Like, I want to make the best out of it, even though we're doing online school. So I want to get my nails done. I want to feel cute and all that. So yeah, but nails check, hair check, and now I just gotta go shopping for my school supplies. What's up, guys? Today is actually Monday. It is Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, you guys. I was supposed to go shopping yesterday for my school supplies, but it was a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, I'm actually on my way to Walmart right now, and I'm gonna be getting the regular school supplies like notebooks, pencils, all that. But I'm also going to be shopping for my desk because I'm going to be transforming my desk into an office space. So I'm going to be getting stuff like, you know, pencil holders, dividers, all that type of stuff. So you guys just stay tuned and continue watching this vlog. Alright, you guys, I made it in Walmart now. Let's see what we can find. See these notebooks, and they're only 50 cents, so you already know I'm just gonna buy these notebooks. And I actually have 7 classes, but it's only 6 colors, so I'm just gonna have to double up on one color. So yeah. I don't know about y'all, but I actually like mechanical pencils over regular pencils, so I'm just gonna pick up some mechanical pencils. Hole punchers actually be coming in handy, you guys, so I'm just gonna grab this hole puncher. Some dividers, some file folders for my desk, but I changed my mind because I seen these really cute things you can hang up on your wall, so I'm just gonna get these instead. I know that I'm definitely gonna need printing paper because I'm gonna be at home and I'm gonna have to print a lot of stuff out, so I'm just gonna grab this printing paper. Alright guys, we just left Walmart, and as you guys can see, I did buy a couple of things, but I didn't find everything as far as organizing my vanity desk and everything like that. So I'm going to go on Office Max right now to see if I could find some more stuff. So here we go. So y'all, I seen these pencil holders, $5 finally I found some pencil holders, so I'm just gonna grab these, 2 of them. I also seen this organizer, y'all, and it matched with the pencil holder, so I'm gonna get this as well. Alright, y'all, I am now back home from supply shopping, and I did change my shirt because I wanted to be comfortable while transforming my vanity desk into the office space. So I'm just going to first show you guys how my desk looks now, and then show me transforming it, and then the end result. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is how my vanity desk looks. Starting on the far left side, I have some chalk because I have a chalkboard wall right here. And then I have this pencil holder. It originally came from Christmas. I tried to DIY it, but that's how it turned out. It didn't turn out too good. But I have some pencils and my iPhone cases. And then over here, it was like already like some school stuff in here. Like I have some tape, a pencil sharpener, and some pencils and pens in here. And then this was a mug. It was a gift from my 8th grade graduation. And I just put some candy in here. And then this is a lamp I bought from Walmart, and it's so pretty. So yeah, that's my lamp. And then this was a gift from someone. I forgot where it came from, but who it came from, but this was a Never Stop Dreaming thing you could put like on your dresser to just, you know, make it look cuter. And this was a bag. I put like just like some accessories in here. And over here, I just have like body stuff like deodorant, lotion, all that. So let's just get one more look at my dresser before I transform it. I also forgot to mention that I did buy a chair online, and it's gray, so it's gonna replace this chair that I have right here. First, I'm gonna start by unpackaging the pencils and pens and put them inside the pencil cup. So yeah. Also emptied out my drawers because I'm gonna be putting school supplies in those as well. So as y'all seen before, I bought these wall pockets from Walmart. They have 5 different colors, and I'm just gonna write the subject on the folder, and then I'm gonna hang it up with the thumbtacks, and I'm gonna be hanging them all across this wall right here above the vanity desk. So let's get to it. I was going to use the thumbtacks to hang up the wall folders, but they wouldn't go through the wall, so I'm just going to use command strips instead. So starting over here, you guys, I have my organizer, and I have all 7 of my notebooks for each class. I have my stapler and some extra staples if I ran out. And I also have a hole puncher, and then over here I have my planner. I got my computer. I have this calendar, but it's just for decoration. And I also have my lamp, as you guys seen before. In my pencil holders, I have markers, pencils, pens, all that type of stuff. I have my index cards and some post-it notes. And starting over here, for the wall pockets, I have my math, English, all my subjects. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm very happy with it. And the chair is really nice and cute. So yeah, it is a very nice setup. guys, like I said, I am very happy with how my desk turned out. It is super cute, and I'm going to be very organized for the school year, which is very great. But I do have school in the morning and I'm very sleepy, so I have to get going to bed. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also share and turn on post notifications so you guys can notify any and every time that I post. Like I said before, please subscribe to become a part of the Lecia fam, because if you're not a part of the fam, then what are you doing? Like, just subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button right now. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.